Everyone wants to be rich, but the truth is most people never will be. It's not because they don't work hard enough, it's because they make the same financial mistakes over and over. If you want to build wealth, you need to avoid the common traps that keep people broke. The first mistake, focusing only on earning, not building assets. Most people trade time for money, working a job, picking up extra shifts, or even doing side hustles. But they never take the next step, investing in assets that make money for them. If you're only earning and spending, you'll never escape the cycle. The wealthy focus on income-generating investments like stocks, real estate, or businesses, so their money keeps growing even when they're not working. Another reason people never get rich: lifestyle inflation. Every time they make more, they spend more: nicer cars, bigger houses, unnecessary luxuries. Instead of investing the difference, they increase their expenses, staying stuck in the same financial position. The rich play the game differently. They increase their investments first and let their passive income fund their lifestyle. A huge trap: not understanding how money works. Most people never take the time to learn about investing, credit, or wealth-building strategies. Instead, they rely on bad advice, get stuck in debt, or avoid the stock market out of fear. Wealthy people educate themselves constantly, making sure their money works for them instead of the other way around. Then there's fear of risk. Many people avoid investments, businesses, or new opportunities because they're afraid of losing money. But playing it safe guarantees you stay stuck. The wealthy understand calculated risks. They don't gamble, but they invest strategically, the difference between rich and broke. The rich take smart risks while others stay in their comfort zone. So, how do you avoid these mistakes? Shift your mindset. Stop thinking about money as something you only earn and spend. Start thinking about how to make it grow. Live below your means, invest early, take smart risks, and never stop learning. Most people will never be rich, but you don't have to be one of them.